and today we're making spiders that have cheeseburgers and french fries. Here's my assistant, Jason. First step, you want to grab a tomato and peel it. And then you want to, after you peel it, you want to cut it up to little spider legs. Next, you want to grab your spider legs and put it on whatever, but put it next to you. So you grab oil, salt, pepper, and paprika, and then toss it all of it inside of the spider legs. Next, since you're done tossing it, you have to put it on a pan and set the oven to 400 degrees. That looks super creamy. Looks like spiders. Looks like tally marks, doesn't it, guys? So cool. Can't wait what it looks like when it's done. Next, you want to get Worcestershire sauce, breadcrumb, and onion powder, and put it inside of the worm. P.S. It's actually ground beef. Stuck. Look at literally, it's really stuck. Ah! Look at this. Okay, here. Next, you want to get the breadcrumbs and pour it inside of the ground beef and whatever else we poured. I forget again. And then we toss it with our hands. Ooh, this feels good. Yeah, brains and worms. Next, you want to grate your brains and worms and put it inside of this pan that has to be oven proof. Whoa. Yeah. Ooh, must be ready. It looks so goopy. Feels like brains. Next, you want to get your brains after you're done putting it in this glass pan that's oven proof. You want to grab it and put it in the oven for 400 degrees and bake it for 20 minutes. Next, you want to get one layer of cheese, and then put it on the meat. And then you really go like this. You have to go in rows. Like this. I'll show you. Kind of like up and down. Nobody's showing right now. Next, we're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes for the cheese to melt. Next, we're gonna cut the little meat and cheese into little hamburgers. Hamburger meats. So we put the meat and cheese on, and then we put some lettuce on it. And then we put little spider legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to put 4 on each side. It looks pretty yummy already. And my favorite is hamburger. And then next, you can have ketchup or mustard. I prefer mustard.